Okay, part 2 of painting the Teutonic Knight. So, like I started in the first video, I went in and put in, find my little pointing stick here, where'd it go? There it is. I went in and put in the darkest shadows and then the next shadow color, a lighter shadow color in all the way around. Including up there. Just give you an idea as to what I did off camera. Alright. Now essentially it's going to be the same thing. I'm just going to do, just to keep the video moving, what I thought I would do is just kind of work on an area like right in here, and I'll do a couple of different steps just to show you what's going on, and then I'll go back and do the rest of it off camera, just to give you an idea and make the videos a little bit faster, and you won't have to listen to me as much because I know I'm not that interesting or entertaining. So here we go. Again, I'm still using the same palette. It's Payne's Gray and Titanium White, and essentially I had mixed 10 colors or tones from the combination of the Payne's Gray and Titanium White, essentially going from, you know, really dark Payne's Gray up to almost pure white. It's not pure at all. There's still a little bit of Payne's Gray in it, but it gets really close. So what I thought I would do, like I said, is I'll just start painting the next shadow colors into here, but what I'll do is I'll just kind of work on this one area, just to give you an idea as to, you know, how this is going to look, and then I can go from there. Okay? Again, much like what I showed before, the technique is the same. And each time we do this, so you don't lose track of where you are, right, you just kind of blend in each layer. And the nice thing too about doing this, the stippling motion with the blending, it gives a nice cloth feeling. So the fabric starts to really look like fabric instead of brush strokes. So just keep kind of going like that. Oops, sorry, not on camera here. Apologize. Martin Scorsese, I am not. All right. In case you were wondering, the way I had primed this initially is I went in and primed black, and I primed gray over that at a, so essentially primed the entire thing black, and then I went back over it at a 45-degree angle and primed gray, and then from a 90-degree angle, so essentially top down like this, primed white. That way you get highlights, right? And then shadows and everything else. Right, let's just keep working on this area here. What I'll do is I'm going to go down to the next color. Essentially just do the same process all over again. Okay. Sorry, I keep moving it out of shot, but I'm trying to paint around the camera. Okay, now we're going to go into the next one, and as we're doing this, we're getting lighter and lighter with our colors here and blending all the way back up essentially to white, or that white color that we want at the end. And essentially it'll end up only being at the highest points. Right. Now we're working ourselves back into a little bit more lighter colors. Again, apologize for my shoddy camera work. Alright. And the nice thing about oil paints is when you're doing this, you can actually blend things back over themselves. So again, I'm doing this much faster than I normally would just to be able to make this video a little bit shorter. And like I said, I'll continue to go around after the video is done. I'm almost at my highest light color here. Okay. Alright. See if we can work the camera in a little bit. So, there we go. So I will continue going around the figure essentially in the same manner all the way around, working out all the white and continuing to build up. Obviously I did this a little bit fast just to be able to make the video a little bit short, or shorter, but I will continue to work myself around on it, and I will, go back and touch up and redo and, blend some things some more and do a little bit more work and everything else as I feel necessary. So more than likely I will go back. Where's my pointing stick? And rework this a little bit more, just to smooth some of this out. A little bit more transition and a little bit more transition in here. And kind of smooth this out a little bit more. So that's it for video number 2, and I hope you like this. If you have any comments or questions or anything like that, or you know, please leave me a note, and I'll answer you back. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.